Located near the Cascade Mountains in southern Oregon lies a truly unique ecosystem. Klamath Lake and its surrounding forest, marshes, and meadows serves as a refuge for hundreds of species of resident and migratory wildlife. The Klamath Basin is home to the largest congregation of bald eagles in the lower 48 states and is the largest stopover for waterfowl in the Pacific Flyway. It is an area well known for its tranquility and beauty. Klamath Lake is fed by one of the world's purest lakes, Crater Lake. 7,000 years ago, the mountain, then Mount Mazama, erupted. The volcanic eruption that hollowed the mountain was estimated to be up to 7 times more violent than Mount St. Helens eruption and spread a thick layer of volcanic ash throughout the entire Klamath Basin, covering 7 states and reaching as far as Canada. Slowly, the crater filled up with water to become today's pristine Crater Lake. Carried from Crater Lake under immense pressure through miles of underground rivers and streams, the pure water is transported toward Klamath Lake, where in the nearby mountains, numerous streams of astonishing beauty bubble up fresh, mineral-rich water from the ground, which flows into Klamath Lake, gathering additional nutrients along the way. Because Klamath Lake is a relatively undisturbed high desert region that receives intense sunlight, it is an ideal environment for the flourishing of Aphanizomenon floss aqua, a species of cyanophyta. The wealth of naturally occurring minerals and nutrients in Klamath Lake is responsible for the abundant and unique growth of this extraordinary microalgae. Studies conducted in the 1960s estimated that at any one point in time during the blooming season, Klamath Lake contains up to 7,000 tons of wet algal biomass. With its abundance, Aphanizomenon floss aqua plays an important role in nourishing and maintaining the delicate ecosystem of Klamath Lake and its surroundings. To ensure quality and safety, StemTech harvests according to a stringent quality control program. Each day prior to harvesting, samples of algae are collected and analyzed on a floating lake laboratory to ensure the quality and purity of the bloom. Once the purity of an algae bloom has been established, harvesting operations commence. Through extensive research, a proprietary method was developed to selectively retrieve Aphanizomenon floss aqua from the lake without contamination by other algal species and without damaging its sensitive ecosystem or the delicate algae. Aphanizomenon floss aqua is a filamentous microalgae resembling a supple blade of grass. Contrary to other algal species with more rigid shapes, Aphanizomenon floss aqua sticks to surfaces or wraps itself around structures like a wire. Building on this property, barges with rotating wires were developed to selectively harvest Aphanizomenon floss aqua and leave behind other species of algae. The harvested algae is virtually pure Aphanizomenon floss aqua. The algae collected on the rotating wires are then transferred onto a conveyor belt to maximize dewatering, and then chilled through a heat exchanger before being transported to the processing plants. At the processing plant, using a proprietary process of centrifugation and filtration, the harvested Aphanizomenon floss aqua is treated to concentrate certain components, including specifically the L-selectin blocker, responsible for supporting the release of stem cells from the bone marrow. This concentrate of Aphanizomenon floss aqua is then dried to produce StemEnhance. StemEnhance is dried using a proprietary drying technology called HydroDry, a unique and innovative drying technology. This proprietary drying method uses heat transfer technology and the specific properties of water to gently remove moisture from AFA while maintaining the maximum integrity of the nutrients and active compounds found in StemEnhance. The superiority of this drying method over other drying methods has been confirmed in an independent study performed at Washington State University. After a series of stringent tests to confirm its safety and purity, StemEnhance is then encapsulated and bottled in a pharmaceutical-grade GMP-certified facility. GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practices, is a state-of-the-art, internationally recognized quality control program that ensures the highest quality in the manufacturing of dietary supplement products. Before being shipped to your home.